Hey guys, what is up? It's Ashtacat. Come clean my R400 Invidia exhaust with me. As you guys know, the Subaru got straight pipe, so I'm looking for a new home for my exhaust, and I want to clean it, give it some TLC before it goes to its new owner. We have a handful of different products that I'm going to be using today, and I'll go through them with you. What you're going to want to do first is grab a bucket of warm water and some Dawn dish soap. I'm using a Scrub Daddy. I saw some guy on YouTube just like hose his exhaust system down, and I was like, nah man, I ain't gonna do that. But I really should have done it because it started raining horribly and I didn't go inside. I just let the rain help me. And just take your time. This isn't something hard to do. It just takes a lot of patience. So the point of this is just getting all the grime and dirt and anything that's stuck on the exhaust and get it off. Sometimes I wonder if my neighbors think I'm actually insane. So many of my neighbors saw me doing this today. Hi neighbors. All right, on to the next step. When it comes to working with degreasers or polishers, guys, you always want to make sure you wear protective eyewear and gloves. Do not just use your bare hands like I saw the guy on YouTube doing, okay? On the right-hand side, we're going to use the Super Clean degreaser, and on the left-hand side, we're going to use Purple Power. What I'm going to do is spray and let it sit. It does say on the back of both of these not to let it completely dry. So I put some music on, kept an eye on it, just to make sure that it didn't get completely dry. And then I used a Brillo pad dunked in water and slowly just started circular motions, getting any remaining dirt and grime residue off this exhaust system. Again, not difficult, just take some patience. Why don't you guys take a look and see which side you like better? Are we team Super Clean or Purple Power? After this, I'm going to take a microfiber cloth, a clean one, and I'm just going to wipe this off. Also wipe my gloves so I don't keep getting it back on there. And I can already tell a difference. What about you? Ooh, here's the Purple Power. Here's Super Clean. Sheesh, both are looking slamming. Now I'm just going to continue the same process with the rest of the exhaust system. Use the Brillo pad after spraying the degreaser for a few minutes and then wiping it down with a microfiber cloth. Now we can move to the polishers. I've been waiting for this part. We're going to do the same thing. The left side is the Purple Power side. We're going to use Never Dull. The right side is the Super Clean side, and we're going to use Mother's Mag and Aluminum Polisher. Again, let me know whichever one you think looks better. I'm going to be honest with you. Never Dull is very weird to me. It's just a can full of cotton. I didn't like how it left like little cotton fibers all over the exhaust, which also using a microfiber cloth probably didn't help. The Mother's, I like the application way better. It's like a paste. It almost reminds me of like that hair paste, but I do not think that it made a shine as bright as Never Dull. So if I had to choose, I would choose Never Dull. But what do you guys think? They both look great at the end. I love the end result. But if I had to choose, I would choose Super Clean with Never Dull. I think it's a good duo. But I have heard mixed reviews on both. Whew, blinded me, look at that. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. I love to hear some feedback. Here's the exhaust system all cleaned up, ready to go. Gonna take some photos and post it so I can sell it. Again, you guys know it's an older exhaust. It's not going to be perfect, but it's looking a lot better than it did before, I have to say. Got a lot of the dirt and grime buildup off, and now it's ready to go to a new home.